In this video, learn how you can transform any video into one that has a claymation style. This is EdTech Hustle, my name is Rich, and let's get started. So what you'll want to do is go to the website LensGo. There's a lot of really interesting features with LensGo. It is free to sign up. You get 50 credits each day to play around and try out some of these features. But the one that we are going to want to do is the one which I highlighted right over here. This is the style transfer that will let you change the look of a video with specific models. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open style transfer. So you can see that there's 3 different modes for style transfer. The one that we are going to be doing today is right over here. It is called Restyle. The first thing we'll need to do is to upload a video. You can see that I have about 6 seconds left of video. If you want longer video, you do have to purchase additional credits. The first 5 seconds are free, but that's good enough to be able to see this feature. So here's the video that I want to try. I've got this nice video of this woman with the dog, and I want to take this and give it that claymation style. I'll just take that video and upload it. And here it is. Now again, it's only going to do the first 5 seconds or so of the video. If you look over here to the left, you can see some of the different styles that are here. I've played around with the Pixar one. I've got another video showing this. I think the results are pretty cool, but there's some other ones as well that I'm not as familiar with, but I'm looking forward to trying them out. So I'm just going to select this one, which is claymation. A couple other options over here to the left. I usually just keep things the way that they are. Again, for a longer duration, you will need to purchase additional credits. There's also a way that you can add a prompt to name specific features that you may want highlighted in this video when it transfers. But again, I'm just going to leave this the way it is. So I think this looks good. I'm going to select generate video. And the process is going to begin. It takes about 5 minutes or so. This one says 7. I find it's a little bit less. But for the most part, it's fairly quick, and once this is done, we'll take a look at the results. So it's been around 7 minutes, the process is done. I'm going to go right over here to history to check this out. So if I click on that video at the top right, here is the new video. So the dog is looking pretty good. I like how that looks. As for my friend over here with the blonde hair, the dog's owner, not exactly the most flattering depiction, but I do think it's cool how we took that video and we kind of transformed it. You can see the reference video right over here. Now, if I wanted to, I could select create again, and this time add a prompt to maybe get more of the details that I want of this young woman with the dog. But I don't have enough credits for today, so what I'm going to do is to select download, and in just a few minutes, an MP4 video file of that will begin. And here it is. So again, the website is LensGo.ai. You can get started right now with style transfers, and you can do up to 5 seconds of a video each day with the free plan. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.